Hello everybody, it's Stephen from Frost. Over the next few weeks and months, I'm going to be sharing with you everything that's happening here at Frost. Some great things happening, from new product launches through to the summer months where we're going to have open days and hub meets here on site. They're going to be great. Today it gives me great pleasure to introduce you to our latest new product. This is a rust remover from POR-15. This stuff does exactly what it says on the tin. So I'm going to share a video with you. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it. You can also visit the website, have a look at the stuff on the website. You can come to us and visit us in store. It's always great to see you. Browse the store, have a chat with us, talk about your jobs, any expert advice that you need, come and ask us. Great to see you. Also, if you've not joined, join the hub. Go on the website and join the hub. It's great. There's loads of guys on there talking about the restoration products, talking about all the new stuff that they're doing. Share yours with them. It's great. So I'll see you in a few weeks' time, and out for now. See ya.
This is a demonstration video on POR-15's Rust Remover, a rust dissolving solution that removes light rust in as little as 20 minutes and heavily rusted metal overnight. We begin with a heavily rusted metal strip and submerge it into full-strength POR-15 Rust Remover. After just 30 minutes, you can already see bare metal on our test strip. At 2 hours, more areas of bare metal are beginning to show, and sediment in the bottom of the test jar shows just how much rust has fallen off of the metal strip. At 4 hours, the area of our test strip that had been submerged in POR-15 Rust Remover is completely free of rust and now ready for our 3-step system.